Well, I started off my day trying to catch bluegill on hair jigs. That's how I started off my original intro. Sorry, I had a notification on my phone. But after I started recording, I quit catching bluegill. Like, I caught a bunch before I started recording, but I only caught one in the video, trying to show you guys how to catch bluegill on hair jigs. But it was a multi-species day, and it was a great video. So yeah, this is just doing some fishing with hair jigs. It was a good time. I kind of cast it out under a bobber. It was about a foot down, a foot under the bobber is where the jig was. And yeah, I kind of would twitch it back to me every couple seconds, bring it a little closer back, just twitch it. So hopefully you guys like it. There's a great catch at the end. It was actually my last cast before my wife said, "Get your ass home." So yeah, it was a good catch, and it's a 5-minute catch because big fish on small line. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Thank you. I take a crappie bite, I tip my hair jig with the bite. So what that means is I just put that right on the hook, like so. Sorry, I'm sort of shaky. And depth-wise, I've got this under a bobber, probably about 1 foot. So I'm gonna cast it out probably 15 feet, and I'm gonna slowly just twitch it back to me, every 5-ish seconds I'll twitch it, a little bit closer back to me. So let's do it. Twitch. 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 There we go. There's one that wants it. There we go. Well, caught a largemouth, but I mean, this is a great way to get a mixed bag. I've caught crappie today, bluegill, largemouth, but the bluegill won it the most. But you see it catches fish, so. There's a fish. Crappie. Pretty crappie. These are my favorite fish to catch. Here we go. That's a bass. Nope. Big old bluegill. Finally got one. Big bluegill. So they'll eat the hair jigs. It's a good way to get, if you just want to go out and catch fish, I mean, this is an excellent way to do it. I've caught a lot of fish this morning, and like I said, I haven't been out here very long. There we go. crappie. Got a bite. Another crappie. Well, I got one more cast in me and then I gotta go home. That's a big fish. Oh yeah. 4-pound line. That's a big fish. Big fish. I'm gonna have to take my time. Pretty sure it's a channel cat. Nope. Big old bass. I think it is a channel cat. Check it out. Channel cat. I'm using 4-pound line and frickin' hair jigs, man. I'm telling you. How much fun? How much fun? That's a nice one too. For this species, that's real nice. I can't see if you guys can see that. Sorry, the sun's so bright. Very nice. Very, very nice. Thank you guys for watching. I gotta get home, my wife's getting mad.